The federal grants that have been rescinded were going to come from the Centers for Disease Control, and they were going to help pay for this $93 million health center under construction in Kearney Mesa. County officials say the CDC grants were for things like laboratory capacity and vaccines for children. County Supervisor Tara Lawson-Remer says she thinks the Trump revocations are meant to undermine the CDC and give the impression that government doesn't work.
I think we're at a moment where we really have to acknowledge that the administration's not looking out for us. They're not looking out for regular people, not looking out for everyday Americans.
County staff say the local services that could be affected include administration of flu, COVID, and hepatitis A vaccinations. They also say lack of funding will hamper investigations of infections in long-term care facilities.
We test for infectious disease, things like measles, mumps, norovirus, to identify a potential outbreak and then mitigate that outbreak. Diagnostic testing is one of the first lines of defense in combating an outbreak.
The health services funding cuts from the Trump White House may not occur. California and more than 20 other states have sued to stop them, and for now, it looks like they have. The California Attorney General's office says a Rhode Island judge has granted them a temporary restraining order, but Lawson-Remer points out that Trump has been known to disregard court orders.
I think we're hopeful that this administration will actually respect the Constitution and obey the rule of law, but the track record's not good.
The CDC has not returned calls for comment. Thomas Fudge, KPBS News.